Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Carly Brand. Thank you so much for watching. So it's been quite a while since I've done a vlog, and today I just want to vlog, take you guys with me throughout my weekend. Hopefully it will kind of be a weekend vlog. It's Saturday. I'm just about to go to Pilates. It's 10:01. I have like 15 minutes before I have to go. So I decided I'm just gonna make a quick smoothie. I know I've posted my smoothie recipe before, but I'm just doing mango, banana that I store in my stasher bag, some ginger that I keep frozen. These are the power greens that I love. And then I've been adding ashwagandha powder to help me with anxiety, just a little bit, and then spirulina, which I can't find right now, so I need to look for it. So I'm just gonna make a quick smoothie and then head to Pilates. These are my favorite mason jars. I got them from Amazon. I love them because they have the wide mouth and you can freeze them, and then I just get these plastic lids from Walmart, and they're like the perfect size for smoothies. And then yeah, so I'll link them down below, but they're like the best mason jars for smoothies. I'm just gonna pour this in here, and I made enough to make 2, so then tomorrow I don't have to make a smoothie and I can just keep it in the fridge and screw the lid on, and it's like the best because tomorrow I don't have to make one. So I just stick this in my fridge, and then tomorrow I can drink this one. I love this smoothie so much. This is another reason why I love these jars so much, is because they fit like perfectly in my cup holder. So when I drive, I can just sip on it. I made it to the gym, and I just wanted to, like, I don't know, just say this whole week it's been really difficult for me to get to the gym, just because I feel like I just want to just hang out and not work out. But I've learned that the hardest part is just getting there. So if you guys are like struggling to get to the gym or to work out or whatever, honestly just force yourself to get there, because once you're there, it's no big deal. Like, it's all downhill from there. So yeah, that's just my tip, because I've really been struggling. I've just kind of wanted to stay home this week and just not really do anything. But the hardest part is getting there, so once you're there, you're good to go. And I'm here now, so that's all that matters. I just finished Pilates, and it's like a floor Pilates. It's not the reformer, but I really like it. The teacher is really funny. She just makes me laugh, and like, she's entertaining, and she makes it go by really quick. So it's 11:40. I'm gonna run to Sprouts, and my sister is a figure skater. She's really good. She also has a YouTube channel, and I'll link it down below. But she's currently in Washington, and she's competing sectionals, which means she's really good, and I'm gonna watch her live. So there's a way to stream her live on my phone, and I'm just gonna probably stream her from the parking lot of Sprouts before I get a couple groceries. The next thing I'm gonna do is watch her and just support her. She's so cute. She's 15 years old, and I just love her so much. I just made it home. My sister hasn't gone on yet for skating, but I just stopped by the store and I got myself some fresh kombucha. This is a chai turmeric flavor, but I actually just wanted it because I wanted this clear jar. I have like an obsession with clear jars with white lids, like all my mason jars and everything. But I'm gonna start doing juicing. Like, I wanna make a beet juice this weekend, so I'm gonna drink this and then hopefully just keep reusing this for all my juices. So while I wait for my sister to go on, I'm making myself a bagel because I'm starving from Pilates. But I got these gluten-free pumpkin spice bagels from Trader Joe's, and I'm like obsessed. They're so stinking good. And then I use this vegan cream cheese also from Trader Joe's. It was at work in my office, that's why I have my name on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some bagel and cream cheese and then chug my kombucha. That's my sister! Go AJ! Here's my second breakfast. It's like 12:18, and I burnt my toast because I was so excited to watch Andy, but that's okay. It was worth it. I came into my house after work last night, and my sister stopped by Trader Joe's, got me these cute flowers, and you all know how much I love these dark chocolate mints, so she bought me the mints and she left me a little note. She is the best. Laura, I love you. Thank you so much. This made my day. I'm gonna give you guys a lemon tree update. So my lemon tree is doing better than ever. There's blossoms everywhere on it and it just makes me so happy. Like, these blossoms are huge, and even in the summer when it was sitting outside, look at those little lemons, it didn't blossom, but now it's like blossoming like crazy. Literally on every branch there's a blossom and there's new lemons popping up everywhere. I have some big ones, some teeny small ones that are just about to start growing. Yeah, just so many blossoms. And this branch I've already picked 2 lemons off of, so they're pretty much ready. What I read is even if it's not completely yellow, it's okay as long as they're about 2 to 3 inches, and I've already picked 3 lemons that were the right size. So I love my tree, as you all know, and it's happy living inside, which I was really worried about because I was worried once I brought it in it would die, but it's doing so good. I'm gonna make a chai latte. So I just had the bagel and I'm gonna make some chai. And I get this unsweetened chai concentrate. I got it at Sprouts. And then I got this non-dairy oat milk from Trader Joe's. It's not my favorite, but I figure I should just drink it. So you just mix equal parts of both of these. And then I have this Cocoa Motion. I think you can get it on Amazon, and it just frosts it and warms it up. And then I'm gonna add a little stevia, and because this is unsweetened, so I'm just gonna add a little stevia and drink it. So yay! There's my chai. I'm in my room and I'm gonna dye my brows because I feel like they faded so much. So I have a whole video on this and I'll link it up. I'll put a card up, but I just want to show you guys. I use the Just for Men beard dye and I'm using the color dark brown. So in my video I used medium brown, but then I decided it wasn't dark enough, so now I use dark brown and I just think it looks so much better. So I'm gonna just dye my brows. I'm not gonna like walk you through it just because I have a whole video on it, so I'll be sure to link it up above. Okay, I tinted my brows. I think they look much better. I love dark eyebrows, especially with blonde hair. It's my fave. I just hit a wall. I've been like going since 9 a.m. I know it's not that early, but now I'm really tired. I'm just gonna chill for a minute, and but I just wanted to get your guys' opinion. Leave in the comments down below. I've never done this before, but it sounds really fun. I've never done Vlogmas. And tell me what you guys think, if you guys think I should or shouldn't. I don't know. I'm really excited. It wouldn't be every day. I would hope it'd be like every other day if I did it. But I just want you guys to leave in the comments down below of this video. Let me know yes or no if you guys want me to do Vlogmas. And I will take what you guys say and decide from there. I just went to the mall and I got myself this new highlight on the inner corner. My makeup looks kind of weird. My face looks shiny. But I got this new highlight on the inner corners. It's from MAC and it's the color Nylon. It's just an eyeshadow for the inner corners. And then she ended up just doing like some pretty eyeshadow. But I just want to show you guys everything that I got from the mall today. So I got the Nylon eyeshadow that's just like really good for the inner corners and for highlighting. And she said you could also just put it under your eyebrow. And then I got the Paint Pot, which is an eyeshadow primer. So it's like, I've been trying to wear more eyeshadow lately, and this is just a primer so that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. And then I got 2 other things. I got this blue eyeshadow. So if you guys saw my last video I filmed, or a couple videos ago, my doing eyeliner with eyeshadow tutorial, I got a new blue eyeliner that I can use, or eyeshadow that I can use as eyeliner, so I'm excited about that. And then I just got this brow, it's like a brow highlighter, and you can just use it to like line under your eyebrow, and it just makes your eyebrow look more enhanced. So this is just the Sephora brand. So is this, and it's the color Colorful? No, that's not what it is. Surfin' USA is the color. So those are the things I got, and now I'm here at Sprouts, one of my favorite health food store, and I'm just gonna get some sweet potatoes, some vegetables, I don't know what else, just some stuff for dinner tonight. Okay, I just got back from Sprouts and the mall. So I showed you what I got from the mall already. And this is what I got from Sprouts. So I love these. These are the Cauli Power. It's cauliflower crust, and I got the veggie pizza, so it's gluten-free. I got these grain-free Siete tortilla chips, but I kind of opened them on the way home. But I love the lime flavor. They taste like a hint of lime chips, and they're so good. I got 2 sweet potatoes. I'm going to make one of them for myself for dinner tonight. I got these raspberries. They're not organic, but they look so good. They're like really nice looking, so I bought them. I love steel cut oats, so I got these steel cut oats. I got these paleo cookies, Jack's Paleo cookies. They're delicious. And then broccoli and avocado. So that's everything I just got from Sprouts, and I'm just gonna make some dinner. So I already preheated the oven to 400, and I'm just gonna cut up these sweet potato, the 1 sweet potato. Okay, you guys, here's my dinner. I just roasted some broccoli and some sweet potato. I put this sweet potato in at 400 degrees. I used a tiny bit of coconut oil and then put them in for 30 minutes on one side, flip them over, add the seasonings, and then 10 minutes on the other. And then I added the broccoli and cooked it for about 10 or 15 minutes. And it was at 425, so I'm excited to eat this. So here's my dinner. Alright guys, I'm about ready to go to bed. I will be vlogging tomorrow and it's going to be on this same video, but I'm just going to take my makeup off and then I'm probably going to watch a Christmas movie and go to bed, and that's all I have planned for the rest of the night. Hey everyone, it's Sunday now and I am just gonna make myself breakfast. I'm super hungry. So I'm making myself some steel cut oats, and I love to add egg white to it just to add some more protein, and I just think it tastes really good. It kind of tastes like rice pudding, so I like to do that. And then I do have my green juice from yesterday, but I think I'm gonna mix some beet juice. I just think it sounds really good, and I have some time where in my work week usually I don't have a ton of time, so I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna juice the beet, the ginger, and the lemon. And I have my juicer all ready to go. So I'm just gonna stick everything in there, and yeah, I'm excited to have some beet juice. Okay, so I just juiced 1 beet. It wasn't enough, so I cut 1 more beet. And then I peeled this full lemon, so I'm gonna just add the rest of that. Here's my beet juice. I did add a tiny bit of filtered water because it only made a tiny bit, and I didn't want it to be too thick, so there you go. It's 1 lemon, 2 full beets, and like an inch worth of ginger. I just made my oatmeal, so it's 1/4 cup steel cut oats, and I use the gluten-free steel cut oats from Bob's Red Mill. I love these ones. And then I just added 1 egg white towards the end, and then I'm just gonna add some raspberries, just a tiny bit of hemp seed. Doing this with my left hand, it's kind of difficult. Some cinnamon. Last but not least, some Trader Joe's oat milk, just a little bit. I just added flaxseed, so you can see it in there. And then I almost forgot my honey. I love honey, so I'm just gonna add a little bit for sweetener. And that's my breakfast. I already drank the beet juice, and I honestly like the taste. I don't mind the taste of the juice. I just had to add a little bit of water because it was really thick, just to kind of thin it out. Alright you guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you liked it and to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, health, recipes, whatever I really feel like posting. So again, I'd love to have you part of my channel and I'll see you guys next time.